Jai Hind everyone, I am Kaitanya Swami and today we are going to be covering the topic navigation equipments or instruments. First let's take a look at the introduction. We have the ancient navigators had to rely on visual lookouts to aid his passage by hailing presence of land or other objects. So जब ancient time में लोग जाते थे, they used to go out and see, तो अब उनके पास they had no as such ऐसे sophisticated navigation equipment, तो वो क्या देखते थे, उनको लैंड दिखता था, कोई आइलैंड दिखता था, कोई और ऑब्जेक्ट दिखता था, तो then they used to use that as navigation. Today's navigator has a lot of electronic aid which helps him to find his position as well as the surroundings and even the conditions of low visibility. क्योंकि अब इनिशियली क्या था, जब हम पुराने टाइम में एंशिएंट नाविगेटर देखता था आंखों से, बट नाउ हियर वी हैव इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एड radars use करके we are able to explain the various parts and the various we are able to use navigation system using the electronic aids. Now we talk about instrument and equipment used in navigation. We first talk about the radar. Very important is radar. We have radar is radio aided direction and ranging. This is the full form of radar that you should know. That is radio aided direction and ranging. That is, with the help of radio waves, the direction and range of objects are obtained. So this is very important in sea. जब हम radio waves को use करके we can tell the direction and range of objects. The next thing that we're talking about is we are talking about the sextant. So what is a sextant? Sextant is basically an instrument by which a ship's position can be determined by taking sight of heavenly bodies. So अब heavenly bodies में how does this work? This works. This is first of all this is the radar. And this is हमारा sextant. Using this basically हम अलग-अलग जगहों से देखकर using the heavenly bodies, stars, the North Star and अलग-अलग चीजें use करके we were able to tell कि कहाँ पे किस direction में we should be heading towards and if we are heading towards the correct direction or not. The next thing that we talk about is we talk about the compass. Now, what is the compass? Compass, as the name suggests, बहुत easy है. I'm pretty sure most of you heard about it, all of you rather. It is used to find the direction of the ship. So ship की direction निकालने के लिए we have the compass. There are mainly two types of compass. We have the magnetic and the gyro compass. Gyro, you can say. The navigational compass is an instrument that gives the necessary datum line. ठीक है. Now what does this give? This gives us the necessary datum line from which the courses and bearings can be measured. So datum line किस चीज के लिए यूज होती है? For seeing कि कहाँ से courses and bearings can be measured using the datum line, जो कि हमें navigational compass provide करता है. So it helps us providing us the direction of the ship to the sea. Next we are moving on to echo sounder or echo sounder. Now it is an instrument by which the depth of the water can be seen. So depth can be measured below the keel of the ship. Keel is the bottommost part of the ship and it helps it to prevent the ship from grounding. Grounding मतलब जब उसकी keel जो है वो ground में बच जाती है, ठीक है? That is what it is. Now I'm going to show you what we are talking about here. ठीक है sir? Yeah. जैसे we have the ship here. Okay, ये हमारे पास ship है. Now we have यहाँ पे हमारा ground है. So जो echo sounder है वो यहाँ से echoes भेजता है, जो यहाँ से hit back करके हमारे पास वापस ऐसे आती हैं. Okay, and then we are able to tell कि अच्छा ये इतना टाइम लगा इस echo को नीचे से ऊपर आने में. That means उससे we are able to measure कि कितना depth है, ताकि हमारे पास क्या ना हो, ताकि it does not become कि हम ground हो जाए, कि मतलब ये वाला जो ground है इधर आ जाए. That is not, so that does not happen. We have the echo sounder. It is very important. It looks something like that. Now we are talking about next, that is log. What is log? Log is used for finding the speed and distance traveled through the water. So again, very simple, very easy. Then we have the plotting table. What is the plotting table? Plotting table is again very important. It is used for plotting the position as the name suggests and the track of the ship. कि अगर हमारे पास for example map है कोई, this is my map for example, ठीक है, and for example we have this and so I can tell कि अच्छा मैं यहाँ से इधर गई थी, यहाँ से इधर गई थी. You can tell that through using your maps. Okay, the next thing that we have and the last and the final thing for this we have is charts. Charts are used for plotting, again similar to plotting table only. We have the charts and they are used for plotting the ship's position and the course that they are steering. And that is all about the various navigational tools and equipment that are used. I hope you were able to understand this. In the covering GPS, that is Global Positioning System. So make sure to be on a checkout for that, and so that you can check that out, and also you can learn more about GPS. That was all. Thank you and Jai Hind.